Hello everyone, it's Storm 101 here. Today we'll be taking a quick update on Winter Storm Avery that's expected for the next couple days. Now let's go ahead and get started with the hazards map. We got winter storm watches, warnings, winter weather advisories as well. So winter weather advisories are mostly going to be in this more of a purple kind of type here. The pink in here is winter storm warnings. And up here in the dark blue is winter storm watches. So, most certainly, the winter weather advisory is most likely for snow. Well, it's kind of different for different areas. Like down here, get some travel conditions with pretty much just snow conditions. While over here, the majority of it is pretty much just going to be that ice threat for a lot of freezing rain, which is going on right now. We're all going to be looking at one model in particular on this update because first of all, I want to make this quick. Second of all, other models have not been doing really good at forecasting recently, but the one model that I really do agree with is going to be the RJEM model. And also, by the way, the green is flash flood watches, where you can see a lot of rain as well. I do have a forecast map for you guys. It's not a snowfall map, but it's a map where what you can get. Let's look at the RJEM model here. This is stuff I really do agree with a lot. Just one thing is that conditions around here is actually colder than the model's forecasted, and RJEM is showing that thing, and this is why I'm agreeing with this a lot more. So let's go ahead and start off what's going on right now. So this is pretty much just what's going on right now. It doesn't really show much of anything over here like freezing rain, but this is pretty much for the most part what it shows right now. This is 6 hours out here. It's a little bit behind, but it's okay. We can see some significant freezing rain for a good chunk of Kentucky there, even with some winter storm snow in Illinois and Missouri area as well. And that freezing rain is going to stick around. That's why I am talking about this, because the temperature is probably stay colder than the models predicted, and this is what this model is showing. And you can tell that freezing rain sticks around here for a while, and that's where we could start to see some problems there in the Kentucky area. And same thing for Ohio, where whenever you get those a lot of ice accumulations, you get power outages, tree limbs down, power lines will also be down as well. And if we go ahead and continue on, we may even get some freezing rain down in the valleys area, or in the mountains, you should probably say, along here in the mountains of North Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia, stretching up to Maryland. Wherever we go ahead and continue this, heavy snow really does develop in Maryland. Even wherever we're getting some of that back of that snow, back in the Ohio Valley area, and then you really get some significant snowfall there. And it continues on off to the northeast there. That's my reason why this ball has a really good handle on this, even though it's a little bit behind. But, you know, it has a really good handling what I think is probably what's going to occur. So, let's go ahead and take a look at my forecast. It's not the severe weather map, but I'm going to tell you what color means. So, we're going to start off with the green. The green means mostly rain. If we go into the blue, it's mostly snow. Now, in the purple, or you can say in the magenta, that's where you can see some big type of concerns of freezing rain, sleet, some snow, even rain. If anybody's in that purple area, you're going to get that chance for it. Even includes down here in the mountain areas where models have really been getting a good agreement on. It's going to be this area in the mountain areas. Most likely down in the valleys area, because it's more colder in the valleys region. Wherever the rain gets there, it's going to get pretty cold. So it makes sense from that. Now, for snow accumulation wise, I did not make a map for it because I'm I'm terrible at snowfall forecasting, but all I can tell you is so we got two areas of winter storm areas to watch. One area is actually going to be in the Illinois area, southern Illinois, and another area up into the northeast where they can see a lot of snow. Now we're going to start back in the Illinois area. You can see snowfall totals up to 6 inches in southern Illinois. They had a winter storm watch for parts of Missouri and Kentucky, and a little bit of Tennessee as well. But they move it to the north because of the model's guidance are taking it more to the north than they were yesterday. And snowfall totals up in the northeast could see snowfall totals up to possibly 9 or 10 inches of snow possible. And that could cause some big time travel concerns up there. Now let's get into the magenta area. So snowfall accumulations are not going to be as strong, most certainly for Ohio, Indiana, and Kentucky. But wherever you're in West Virginia, Pennsylvania, Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey, a little bit of Connecticut, and some in Pennsylvania, you will get a decent amount of snow up there. Very similar snowfall totals, but it's going to be slightly less. It's going to be a little bit hard to forecast with snowfall totals, and my prediction around there is probably going to be 8 inches or higher. That's a possibility. For ice accumulations, the best chance for ice accumulation is going to be in the valleys area where models are really making all models are agreeing on that, and ice accumulations right there could be up to half an inch. That's probably I would say on my forecast. Isolated areas could see up to 3/4 of an inch. Now back here in Ohio and Kentucky and down in Tennessee, ice accumulations will most likely be up to 1/4 of an inch of ice. But whenever you have that much ice, it can still cause some concerns. The best chance for that ice accumulation is going to be in Kentucky for the most part. In that area in particular, isolated areas might get to see a little bit more higher than that if you get more of a moderate to heavy freezing rain there, and that's going to cause some major concerns, especially for rush hour in the morning tomorrow. It could cause a lot of serious issues from Winter Storm Avery, the first winter storm of the season. Now, typically, this is the interesting thing. Like a lot of years, typically your first winter storm will be in the Rockies, typically. But this year, it's going to be in the Ohio Valley region, into the northeast. So it's a little bit unusual for November, where you've been seeing way below average temperatures, I should say, for the Midwest and the Ohio Valley. Really been seeing very cold temperatures whenever our normal high is most certainly in the high 50s and low 60s for a few areas around there. So that's all I got for y'all guys today. Hopefully you enjoy this quick update on Winter Storm Avery here. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, and the like button. All these things will help a lot on my channel, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Goodbye.